Example, let V be a finite dimensional complex vector space if E is a normal operator in V, E A star equals to E star E. Prove that E is a self-adjoint. Solution, let E A star equals to E star E. We shall prove that E equals to E star for every vector y belongs to V. We have E of y equals to y E star E y by the definition of the adjoint operator equals to y E star y. So E star equals to E star E equals to E star y by the definition of the adjoint operator employs E star y which implies E of y equals to 0 E star y 0. Let x be any vector in V. Let y equals to x minus E of x, then E of y equals to E of x minus E of x equals to E of x minus E square x equals to E of x minus E of x, because E square equals to E equals to 0. Since E of y equals to 0, which implies E star y equals to 0, implies E star y x minus E of x equals to 0, which implies E star x minus E star E of x equals to 0, which implies E star x equals to E star E of x for all values of x belongs to B. Now E equals to E star whole star equals to E star E whole star equals to E star star equals to E star E equals to E star E. Hence E is self-adjoint.